All right, so let's keep on porting this to Google App Engine. We're going to need to reference these variables for Google App Engine, and we have this new path /web root. So /web root is going to give you this URL if you're on Heroku, and this URL if you are on Google App Engine. We need these base URLs, these web root URLs, so that we can phone home to our APIs. And the environment detection section, we've added this other case to determine if we're inside of a Google environment. And in the A server section, we've added this who the fuck do you think you are section, function A server get web root. So this is the namespace and this is the function name. We are going to get the web root, which you've seen up in here, right? This web root. So shorthand for process.env, if we're in the Google environment, we're going to get the Google App Engine name, and we need to strip off the D tilde that's on it right here, and then we can concatenate everything together. Notice that there's a .appspot.com here, and if we are in the Heroku case, this needs a better precondition, but if we're in the Heroku case, then we can just get the app name directly, no pre-processing, and then glue everything together, but put a .Heroku app at the end instead, and this is the case where we totally fucked up, and we're going to return that web root here. So in the back end, right, the server case, the yes node environment, inside of our request handler function, this new path /web root, we're going to use that get web root function right here, return a 200 OK response with a text MIME type, and then end the response with the web root URL right there. Also, in this branch right here, the /atomic ivy MMO branch, eventually we need to refactor this, but we didn't do any changes to it, just a note that we do need to refactor that. So here's what we did previously, here's footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. We do have to get out of here. So you have been here. If you want a longer explanation, go here. Source code is here. You've been on video number 357. Like, subscribe, send money.